Hi, I'm Stuart Clarke. I'm the Festival Director of the Leeds Digital Festival, and it's great that Northernlands is part of our mini fest in April. And I thought I'd just take a few minutes to tell you about the history and the background of the festival and what we've got planned for our bigger 2-week event in September. So going back to the summer of 2015, a bunch of us in the Leeds Tech sector got together to talk about how we can help promote the Leeds Tech sector wider nationally and internationally, and how we can bring people together to collaborate and build partnerships. So in April 2016, we had our first ever Leeds Digital Festival with 56 events. And we've grown year on year on year to a solid sort of 300 events per year. And there's a few things we set it up for. One was that celebration, talk more about the amazing talent and innovation that people together. How do we get people working together and building partnerships and finding jobs and careers? And right from the start, we made the festival an open platform festival. So it wasn't, we could have gone with a 1 or 2 day event that cost, £300, £400, £500 to join in, which, automatically puts many people off. So that open platform event means that anybody can come on, anybody can put an event on, whether you're the newest startup in the world. So there's no charge to be part of the festival. And I think that's the main reason behind its growth. And we've gone, every year we have events on data and health tech, code. And we've probably moved more from techies talking to other techies about tech to much wider, and particularly how companies can use tech in their day-to-day lives. And last year we had a great event from the engineering consultancy Arab about how they use tech in their everyday world, from 3D imaging to using drones to map out sites. Plus also Opera North, that well-known tech company, put an event on with 5 or 6 other arts and cultural organisations, including Royal Shakespeare Company, about how they use tech more and more from filming to streaming and to many other ways. And I think, over those years, the Leeds Digital Festival has become, if you look at it one way, in terms of the number of individual events, it's the biggest tech event in the UK, but it's certainly the biggest outside of London. And we've also expanded internationally, in particular over the last couple of years, when more of our events have been online, just like many events. For example, last year we had people from 60 countries either speak or attend events at the Digital Festival. This year we've got our mini fest, which has got a theme of sustainability, and plus 1 or 2 other events as well. So we've got 14 events in this week, including Northernlands, where we are today. Then in September, we'll be back for our open 2-week festival. And I think what we've seen over the last couple of years and few years is that organisations such as Leeds City Council, Leeds City Region Enterprise Partnership have worked closely with us, so we can push out the Leeds Tech brand both across the UK and particularly across the world. We have a quite close relationship with tech festivals around Europe and wider, particularly Latitude 59 in Estonia. And a bunch of us are going out there in May and taking a few Leeds-based startups to take part in their pitching competition, which would be great. And again, really sort of bring those partnerships, international partnerships wider. And we feel it's not just about the Leeds tech sector. We're very much involved in the wider northern tech sector. So, for example, we work closely with Tech Week Humber. Their event is in November, so we'll be doing some cross collaboration, and also with the new Manchester Tech Fest, which is kicking off in October. And again, we'll promote them, and they'll help to promote us as well. So it's about shouting more about northern tech. And if you're an overseas company looking to move into the UK for the first time, it's not just about moving to London. You've got this incredible sector based outside of London across the entire north. Also as well, while I'm here talking to you, I also run something working with startups called Pass, and that's bringing startup founders together on a monthly basis on a sort of peer advisory roundtable so they can share issues and challenges. And that's been great running that over the last 6 months, because again, it's about that collaboration, if if someone's got a problem, you can guarantee someone else has already had that problem. So bringing people together to help solve and share these issues has just been great. And we're hoping to run that out again. We've just been doing a 6-month cohort with that. And I also mentioned something called the Leeds Tech Map, which we've created, which is trying to map all the different tech firms and tech sectors within Leeds. So you can see we have, a line around sector and startups and data and health tech. And again, it's about that celebration and making sure everybody knows what we've got. And just coming back to the festival before I finish off, it's free to put an event on. You can get involved in many different ways, as a speaker, as an attendee, as a sponsor, and it's fully open. We're fully welcoming, and we'd love to see you take part in the festival in September.